Omukoro gubira Independence Park aho murema Mbarara kandi gwebembirwe pious birubonwoha ozwekire Attorney General kiryoha kiwanuka nkomjenyi mukuru.
Recognizing and upholding sign language rights is fundamental to ensuring that the deaf community can fully participate in and benefit from the development initiatives, thereby supporting the policy's broader commitment to inclusion and human rights.
Birubonwoha asimire government abo kwera bino burema omwihanga.
This year's theme, No Human Rights Without Sign Language Rights, is not merely a slogan. It is a profound legal and moral truth. It speaks to the very heart of justice and equality.
Our chief guest, the Minister of Gender, has placed in partnership with Ugandan Association of the Deaf to ensure service providers learn sign language.
Orukwebembera Uganda National Association of the Deaf, Robert Nkwangu, ashabire government okushajika abashomesa b'abantu abino burema hambiri yabo.
Our dear CDO, I can't thank you enough. We've been together, we've walked this journey for months until this summit today. I want to thank the schools that have joined us and the NGOs for the support, immense support that you've given to us. Is we humbly request the government of Uganda to have a law on Ugandan Sign Language that will help regulate the usage of Ugandan Sign Language.
Gasha kwa Ali Waswa.